Let's face it, the convenience of online banking is undeniable. But what about those times when you need actual bills? Running an errand and need a quick 20? Weekend trip and forgot to grab cash beforehand? Suddenly, that lack of a physical branch can feel like a real drawback. Well, if you bank with Relay, fear not. You do have ATM options, and they might be even better than your typical bank branch ATM. Intrigued? Let's dive into what ATMs work with your Relay debit card and how to make the most of them. First things first, Relay itself doesn't have its own network of ATMs. This might sound like a limitation, but it actually opens doors to a wider network. Enter Allpoint ATMs. Allpoint ATMs, your Relay cash connection. Allpoint is a large, independent ATM network with over 55,000 locations across the United States. That's a massive footprint, meaning you're likely to find an Allpoint ATM near you, no matter where your travels take you. You can easily find Allpoint ATM locations using their website or app, which is super convenient. The Allpoint advantage: free Relay ATM withdrawals. Here's the real kicker: Relay reimburses you for any out-of-network ATM fees you incur, as long as you use an Allpoint ATM. That's right, free withdrawals. No more hunting down your bank's specific ATM or getting hit with surprise fees. With Allpoint, you just withdraw the cash you need and Relay takes care of the rest. Beyond free withdrawals, Allpoint ATM perks. But the benefits don't stop there. Many Allpoint ATMs offer additional features that can come in handy. Some locations might have the option to deposit checks, which can be a lifesaver if you need to get a check cleared quickly. You might also find Allpoint ATMs conveniently located inside grocery stores, gas stations, or retail outlets, so you can grab cash while you're running other errands. Important things to keep in mind. While Allpoint ATMs are fantastic for Relay users, there are a few things to keep in mind. First, there is a daily withdrawal limit set on your Relay debit card. Be sure to check your account settings or contact Relay if you're unsure of your limit. Also, remember that Allpoint ATMs themselves might have their own withdrawal limits, typically around $400. Finally, while Relay reimburses Allpoint ATM fees, they don't cover any fees charged by the owner of the ATM itself. So, for example, if you use an Allpoint ATM located inside a convenience store, that store might impose an additional fee on your transaction. It's always a good idea to check the ATM screen for any potential fees before finalizing your withdrawal. Relay ATMs, the wrap-up. So, there you have it. Relay might not have its own branded ATMs, but with the Allpoint network, you have access to a massive network of surcharge-free ATMs across the country. Remember, to avoid any unexpected fees, always double-check for any charges displayed on the ATM screen before completing your withdrawal. With Relay and Allpoint, you can enjoy the convenience of online banking without sacrificing the ease of accessing cash whenever you need it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.